In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use generative AI in Adobe Express. Adobe Express has integrated generative AI, which allows you to use various AI-powered tools to enhance your designs and create unique content more efficiently. To get started, open your Adobe Express account. Once you're logged in, you will see the generative AI option on the main interface. Click on it, and you will be directed to the generative AI section. In this section, you will find a variety of AI tools, including options for generating text effects, creating templates, modifying images, and generating new images from text prompts. To generate an image using generative AI, type a description of the image you want in the text box. After entering your prompt, click on the Generate button. The AI will take a few seconds to process your request and create an image based on your input. Once the image is generated, you will see multiple variations of the design. You can select any of the suggested images or refine your prompt if you're not satisfied with the results. If you want to see more options, simply click on Generate More to get additional variations. If you want to insert an object into an existing image, go back to the Generative AI section. Scroll down until you see the Insert Object option. First, click on Upload Image and select the image where you want to insert the object. After the image loads, a text box will appear on the left side of your screen. Type the name or description of the object you want to add. Next, use the brush tool to highlight the specific area of the image where you want the object to appear. Once you've highlighted the area, click on the Insert button at the bottom left corner of the screen. The AI will process your request and add the object to the image. If you're not happy with the result, you can refine the object's position or click Generate More to explore other variations. Once you're satisfied with the generated image, click on Keep to save it. You can also download your final design by clicking the Download button at the top right corner of the screen. From here, select the file format that works best for you and click Download to save it to your device. In a similar way, you can use generative AI to create templates and text effects. Type a description of the template you want into the search box and click Generate. This is how you can use generative AI in Adobe Express.